Fortnite is available right now on Android. That's the good news, but there is some bad news. Most Android users don't have access to it. Samsung announced today that the gaming phenomenon will be exclusive to its Samsung Galaxy S7 or newer devices until August 12th. What's interesting is that it's not available on the Google Play Store. That's right, you have to use Samsung's own game store to download the game. To access the game store, go to Settings, Advanced Features, then Games, and turn on the game launcher. You can find the game launcher with the rest of the apps. Once in the game launcher, you can search for Fortnite. There, you'll find the 4MB Fortnite installer. The launcher will then download the almost 2 GB game. Annoying? Yes. But that's the way Fortnite developer Epic Games wants it. By avoiding the Google Play Store, they conveniently avoid Google taking a 30% cut on all in-app purchases. Considering that Fortnite on iOS has made $100 million in just 3 months, Epic's saving a big chunk of change. Epic won't officially say that's the reason, but it's a pretty strong incentive. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney told CNET last week that open platforms are an expression of freedom, the freedom of users to install the software they choose, and the freedom of developers to release software as they wish. With that freedom comes responsibility. That responsibility now falls partially on Epic, since there have already been a rush of Fortnite knockoffs hitting the app ecosystem. For the time being, we're just talking about Samsung phones. We played Fortnite on the Galaxy S9 Plus, and it's the same Fortnite you've come to know and love. Obviously, the mobile version has inferior controls without a physical controller, but it runs smoothly, and there are plenty of players thanks to all the cross-play functionality within Fortnite. The all-important draw distance is solid, but your battery may be paying the price while you're playing. We lost over 60% of our charge in about an hour of play. As for the rest of you Android users, you're going to have to wait until beta access is released over the next few days. You can sign up for the beta right now at fortnite.com/Android. But if you can't wait, Fortnite is available on PC, Switch, PS4, Xbox, and yes, iOS.